Hi guys, this is the Java series, Part 16. Now let's discuss static function. So already we know what is function. Okay, function is defined as the group of statements that perform a particular task. Okay, how do we identify the static function? If the keyword static is prefixed before the function name, that type of function is called a static function. Okay. How to call the static function? For normal non-static function, what we will do? We create the object for the class and then with the help of that object only we can call the non-static function. But here, if we create the static function, there is no need to create any object for class to call the methods. Here this is the difference between the static and non-static function. Here how to declare static. With the static keyword. Non-static, there is no need to give the static keyword. Memory size for static function. Less memory only we need. For non-static, we need more memory. Binding. For static method, it uses compile time binding. Non-static methods use runtime binding or dynamic binding. Okay. The syntax for static method, static keyword, void and the name of the function. For non-static, there is no need to give the static keyword. Simply we write the return keyword and the name of the function. Okay, let's see this example program. Then only you will be clear. Here I have created the package and inside this package I have created two classes. This is my first class and this is the second one. Okay, inside this class I have created two functions. This is non-static function, this is the static function because here we have used the static keyword. Okay, already we have discussed how to call the normal non-static function and the static function. First, what we will do, inside the main method, I have created the object for the first class, static non-static class. So, in this example, the execution starts from the 18th line because here only we have the main method. Okay, inside this program, we have two classes. What is the file name for our Java program? The class that contains the main method. That is very important. If we create the file name as this one means we will get error only. Okay. Inside this class only we have the main method. We have to give the file name as this only. Execution starts only from the main method. And here I have created the object. This is the name of the object for this static non-static class. And here I have used the new keyword. What is the usage of new keyword? New keyword is used to create the memory for this object during the runtime. Okay. And here this is the name of the class. So if we want to create the object, this is the syntax, the name of the class and the name of the object and then the new keyword and again the name of the class, open and close round brackets, end of the statement we should provide the semicolon. Inside this class we have two methods, display and show. So this is the non-static method, this is the static method. Okay, for non-static method we have to create the object for this class to call this method, isn't it? So here I have used this object name to call the non-static method. Okay, and here this is the name of the class. This is not the object of the class. This is the name of the class. We can call the static method directly with the class. There is no need to use this object. Okay, this is the main difference between what? The non-static function and the static function. Now let me execute this one. Here after the execution of this statement, what our output? This one. System.out.println, a non-static function is called. So we got this statement as the output. And after the execution of this statement, the show method will be invoked with the help of the class name directly. Okay, in this statement, we didn't use the object to call the show method because show method is what? The static method. So there is no need to use the object of this class. We can use the class directly. okay, to call the static method. So what is the output for that statement? The static function, that is this one. This function is the static function. So this function is invoked, that's why we got this output. Okay, so we have completed what is static function and what is the non-static function. Now we have some idea about static and non-static methods. I hope you all understand. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. Have a nice day. Thank you.